If the side mirror on your BMW 5 Series is starting to look brown or discolored, it's a common issue that you can fix within 5 minutes, and you can do it yourself and save a lot of money. We can do it right now. Now, these mirrors have a dimming and a defrost function, and when the fluid leaks out of that electrochromatic layer, it starts to cook and it gives it that burned look. New glass from BMW will cost you about $400, but I found this one here on Amazon. I'll put a link to it below. It has both the dimming and the defrost feature, and it works great. Swapping this out is pretty easy. I find it best to start with the mirror facing downward. It gives you a little bit of a purchase point up top. Take a non-marring tool like this plastic little pry tool here. Just stick it in there and gently pry it away. It'll release from the housing the part that's inside that allows the mirror to move around. Once you do that, you'll find the harness that's attached to the backing of the mirror. You can pop that out of its housing and it gives you a little bit more room to work. Once you have that wire exposed, you can take a hook pick or a small tool to get it into the tab that keeps this connector together and gently pull that apart. Putting these mirrors side by side, you can see how bad the old one was. You can see here the mounting tabs all line up and that the harness is the same. So to get started, you're going to pull this harness off the backing of this mirror. Again, give yourself a little extra room. Make sure when you plug it in, it's fully seated and that little tab clicks in, and then remount the harness to the back of the mirror. Once you've done that, start to put this mirror back into place. Now the backing of this mirror marries up to this plate that's in the mirror housing. And if you look at the back, there's tabs all the way around it, and you really can't see it when you're doing it. So you want to have the glass squared up the best you can, even all the way around with the edges into the housing. But once you do that and you press in, you'll feel it and you'll hear it click, and you're pretty much done. The last step is to just get in there and use your controls to move your mirror up, down, left, right to make sure it works. And this is done. Now this fix was for 2009 to about 2017 BMW 5 Series, but any other BMW will follow about the same suit as long as you have the appropriate mirror. I like making these videos to show how easy it is to do some of these things on your own, and of course to save a ton of money while doing it. I'll put links to the items and the tools I've used below, and if you use my links, I will earn a whole 17 cents.